Yo, what's good, beautiful people? You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your host, P Fire, aka P is for poor lighting, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. On today's Nice Bit of Kit That, it's a little bit different. As you can see, I'm all close up, and yeah, that's because basically I'm going to be showing you 4 different types of Stone Island bottoms, and that's not bottoms in Stone Island, no, it's Stone Island trousers or pants, shall we call them. So yeah, and the lighting setup is for that, hence why the lighting is a bit off and a bit woo. Please do excuse the lighting because I've got a different setup to film the bottoms, because I've got to move everything around. So yeah, please excuse the lighting, and let's get into the 4 styles of pants that I have for you today. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. Alright gang, the first pair that I have today are these cotton stretch broken twill. That's TWILL. I'll just give you a little twillage, show you my little derriere. I know, don't look too hard, don't look too hard. Anyway, yeah, so these are in a sort of aquamarine, what would we call them, maybe turquoise jade-ish kind of green, I don't know, but let's get into them. So these are a 32, and as you can see, they're a nice slim fit. You see the way they sit on the leg really nicely, not too baggy at the crotch or at the thighs, really dope. So you have 2 side pockets, 1, 2, and these are zipper pockets, which I will just show you, zip, and in there you can put your hands, or you could put let's see, maybe not silver, maybe a little bit of copper, and if you put your hands, you could walk around like this. No one does that, so I wouldn't advise putting your hands in there. In fact, I would keep these pockets empty. Don't put your copper, don't put anything in there. I know we like to put stuff in our pockets, but no, let's just keep it nice and clear so it doesn't bulk up and it stays really smooth. What do we have at the bottom? There's no elasticated bottom, which I like. I don't like when you have the elasticated bottom. It kind of looks like those you know, those chinos that you might have got in Top Man. I'm not really a fan of all that. Anything with elasticated bottoms that are not jogging bottoms, I'm not really a fan of. So no elasticated bottoms. The pockets are have this nice little flap which goes over like that. They don't lift up, they just sort of hide the zipper like that, and that's the same on the other side. On your left hand side you have, of course, the badge right here, which is what everyone wants and which is why they cost an arm and a leg, literally. At the back you have 2 clip fastened pockets like that. These are actually pretty deep. You could hold a couple bars of gold in here, just a couple though, nothing much. I say bars, maybe a few coins of gold. You wouldn't really want to, because then you'll have saggy bottom, and age will take care of that. You don't need to put gold coins in to make that happen. Anywho, and then of course you have your belt holes here. You have your normal zipper, which is a YKK zipper, and then you have a fasten button here which says Stone Island. That is that, really guys, not much else to show. Let's get into the next pair. Okay gang, this is a cotton stretch gabardine. Yes, gabardine, Gabardine. Never heard of the word before. I'll just give you a little twillage, but this is one of those, and this is a 32 regular tee, and these are really nice. I've not yet worn these, it's still got the label on, and these are a regular fit. As you can see, a bit more baggy at the old leg there, as you can see, a bit more of the baggier fit. Nothing too crazy, you know, you're not going back to the 90s, but if you rocked up in the 90s, no one would laugh at you and say you were wearing straight jeans. These are still 90-esque, so to speak. So we have a right pocket here, a left pocket here, perfect for your hands. Nothing else should go in here but your hands. They fit perfectly. You could put your dog and bone in there, but really it's perfect for your hands. And funny enough, they're the perfect depth and the perfect positioning for your hands, as they normally are on any trouser or jean. I don't know why I've said that, I've just said it. But, you know, sometimes you have to overstate the obvious. and I am not afraid to do that. So these go all the way down, and on the bottom here you have this Velcro strap which allows you to taper it. So I'm just gonna taper that there and taper this here, so that allows you to taper it, and you've now got a more tapered effect there. So now you've got that more tapered effect, so it gives you, if you don't want to wear it, you know, loose, you can wear it tapered. I'll just give you the back view so you can see. Really, really dope. Let me just tuck this in, this t-shirt, so I can show you this really cool feature that this pair has. So this gabardine has this inbuilt belt, which is a clip right there. You see? And did you hear that beautiful noise? And then you can actually adjust this clip, and that will give you the tightness and the more the better fit that you want. Again, these are a 32. They're slightly looser. I would say they might even be a 33, but let's not quibble. I'd say they're a 32. And this little extra clip here, the Gabardine, I've just made that up. This little extra clip here is such a really nice little touch. It's made out of canvas, and then you've got this plasticized this plastic clip bit here, and then you press the button and you let loose. Of course, you have your Stone Island button like that, and you have your YKK zipper. Very nice. Now I know what you're thinking, not bad, but where's the badge? No badge. Forget the badge, our kids. What you do have is right here, if I can see, you have the nice little patch right there. Not everything has to have a badge, people. You have the nice little patch there, and you have your left hand side pocket and your right hand side pocket, and these are quite deep. Once again, don't put anything in your back pocket, just keep it cool, Eddie, and you know, let it do its thing. You see the patch there in black and white like you get on your beanie hats, and yeah, very, very nice. Sorry, these are in a fetching navy blue. I know what you're thinking. Nice pair, guys. Yes, very nice pair. I'm just going to take off my trainers, and I'm going to show you something extra. You won't believe this. Hold on. Oh, what's he doing? What is he doing? Do I see a bit of knee? Oh, you see a bit of knee. Is it a ripped jean? It's not a ripped jean, guys. Look at this. Oh, you can't believe it, can you? No, I know. You cannot believe this. This is actually the first time I've actually done this, so I'm just going to do it fully now. I know, certain things like this, I love. This is my kind of thing here. You know, anything that allows me to show off my legs, I love it. No, but I love little touches. Just going to put on my crepes, you know, just so we can see what's going on here. What is going on here, guys? Well, I now have a pair of Stony shorts. Look at that. The knees are out. I'm back in school, you know. The rulers for the teachers are ready to hit ya, and it's all good. Am I the only one who went to that kind of school? Boarding school, different kind of thing. Got the legs out, you know what I mean? Got the navy blue crepes on, a little bit of Adidas there, and I've got the shorts. So as you can see, these are not tear away, it's not quite stripaholic, but they are zip away. Maybe you went to the park, it was way too sunny, you felt, ah, damn, I should have brought my shorts. You zip it off, and voila. Et voila, people, you have this really nice pair of shorts, and it's at a nice length. If you wanted to get a bit sexy and go, actually, I want to show a bit more leg, a bit more knee, you could always fold it up and then have that little zipped look, you know. No one would judge you, and if they do, who cares? Only God can judge me. Only God can judge me. And now you've got your shorts. Look at that, guys. Now, if that's not worth every penny, I don't know what is. I saw them. I saw the little gimmick, and I was like, I'm a sucker for a gimmick. Take my money, you know. Yeah, really, really nice. Another dope pair that I picked up. And yeah, this is the first time that I've unzipped. So this is an unzipping, shall we say. Haha.